topic is the best way to get a job at 5 of India's top unicorns. India's top 5 unicorns have been the dream job opportunity for all young candidates. However, getting into one is tough because they are always hiring from tier 1 campuses like IITs and IIMs. They receive a lot of resumes for every role that they open. So, chances are your resume will be missed. Now there's an easier hack to getting a job at India's 5 unicorns: Cred, Razorpay, Urban Company, 1MG, Digit Insurance. You will not require your resume to sit for any interview with these companies. Instead, these companies have started hiring through tests where candidates can sit for tests and get a score. Based on that score, you will become eligible for interviews with these companies. This is where Re-Level by Unacademy comes in. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. So if you haven't logged into your account, there would be a login option present here. Click on that and proceed with the required steps for login. So after you've logged into your account, go on View Jobs. And then under Backend Development Test, click on Details. These are the list of companies where you can potentially apply for. So first we check out Cred. What is Cred? Cred was founded by Kunal Shah and it is one of the fastest growing unicorns in India with a valuation of $2.2 billion. Cred is hiring for back-end and front-end development roles. CTC being offered is 14 to 26 lakhs per annum. Ideal candidates should be passing out in 2021 batch, should have 0 to 3 years of experience. The preferred skills and competencies, which are also mentioned over here, should be coding, the ability to write clean, modular, extensive code in the language of their preference, and they should use proper data structures and the best practices in the code. They should have problem solving skills and HLD and LLD. Do take your time out to read about all the companies that we are going to talk about right now. The next one we are going to check out is Razorpay. Razorpay was founded in December 2014. Razorpay is a new age, well-funded startup in the payments and finance industry. Razorpay is hiring for back-end development roles. The CTC being offered is 20 to 24 lakhs per annum. Ideal candidates should be passing out in 2021 batch, should have 0 to 1 years of experience. The preferred skills and competencies are coding and problem solving skills. The languages are mentioned below under every company, so please keep in mind and check that out. So the next one which we are going to talk about is under business development test, which is Urban Company. So Urban Company is the largest online services company with a valuation of over $2 billion. Urban Company is hiring for business development roles. The CTC being offered is 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. Ideal candidates should have 0 to 1 years of field experience, graduation in any field, and the preferred skills and competencies is basically field experience, and it's a must as it's written over here. Now we go back to backend development test, and now we will talk about 1MG. 1MG is India's leading integrated consumer health platform. 1MG is hiring for back-end development roles. CTC being offered is 10 to 30 lakhs per annum. Ideal candidates should have 0 to 1 years of experience or 1 to 3 years of experience, And preferred skills and competencies is problem solving, coding skills in Python, Ruby, or on Rails, exposure working with any relational slash non-relational database, which is good to have, understanding of message queues, pub sub, and in-memory data stores. So the next one which we are going to talk about is Digit Insurance. Digit Insurance is India's first unicorn in 2021. Valued at $1.9 billion, it is one of the largest online insurance providers. Digit Insurance is hiring for front end and back end development roles. The CTC being offered is 2 to 7 lakhs per annum. Ideal candidates should have 0 to 1 years of experience or 1 to 3 years of experience. Preferred skills and competencies under front end developer are Angular 2 plus, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For back end developer, they are Core Java, Spring slash Spring Boot, Hibernate, microservices, RESTful slash SOAP web services. So now we are going to check out how to apply for these companies. First, we go to the main page and we click on View Jobs. We go under whichever sort of development test we want to apply for. We click on Details. Suppose I want to sign up for CRED. I go to CRED, click on Apply Now, click on Book Now for the backend development test, and then I register for the backend development test. Then you click on whichever slot you want to select. Suppose I select this slot. Then you confirm your slot. And as you can see that we are supposed to pay rupees 1999 for this test. Now you can use the code PXP10 and will avail a 10% discount. As you can see, the discount has been applied. Book the slot of your choice and take your test to get the re-level score. Once you receive the re-level score, create your candidate profile. Re-level will guide you with the process. Sit back and relax. Companies will reach out to you on the basis of your profile. The better your re-level score, the more companies will reach out to you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.